Jeez. I think it's time to do a butterball. I didn't get a really great big one because this is about this I think 15. This is a bad Joker ball. Darting out. I bought this thing, man. Shit. I bought it quite a while ago. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go in the freezer and dig him out. I said, shit. I looked at the date on it. I said, yeah, it's still good to go. But you don't want to keep these more than, well, you can keep them for a year, really, but don't keep them more than 6 months. But you can do them. You can keep them a year. You can, but